Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue with data validation option. So we will go to text length. Okay, we check. So text length. So we go to data validation. Okay, then we set as a text length 1 until 6. Okay. So now we test the formula. So let's say I put S. So Aslina. Okay, so now we have to drag this formula. Okay, so let's say I put S Aslina Aziz. Okay, enter. Okay, so now we cannot input this character. So I will change the error message. Okay, so we cancel it. So we go to the cell, go to data validation, then we put as incorrect data. Okay, so incorrect input data. Okay, then we write. Okay. So please input character. So text length will count how many character that we can input or we can write in that cell. Okay, so character. So input character between 1 until 6. Yeah, because we set it as a setting, we set 1 until 6. Then we click OK. So now we drag, copy the formula. So we delete this data. So let's say I put as FEDZH. So enter. Okay, so incorrect input data. So please input character between 1 until 6. So if we want to put a long name, then we have to set more than 6 length. Okay. So cancel this one. So let's say we put as, okay, so data validation. So let's say we put as 20. We just want to test the formula. So let's say we put 10. Okay, so now I put 10. So it's too long, Then we have 2, 4, 6. 8, 9. Okay, I think, okay. So we, okay, so check at the formula. I think, so if you don't track the formula that you have changed, it will remain for the previous formula. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, just in this column, so we have set it 1 until 10. Okay, then we have to drag. Okay, drag this formula because we make some changes in the setting, in the formula. Okay, so now I'm trying to write this. Okay, so now nothing it will acceptable because this character only have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 characters. Okay, so if I write as this, so sorry, Aslina Aziz, okay, more than 10. Okay, so make sure your error message you have to change to 1 until 10. Okay, alright, so let's try. Okay, so now I have to change the setting. Okay, so I've changed the value 1 until 10. So in the error message, we have to put as 1 until 10. Okay, so be careful, when you setting the formula. Make sure your formula is equal to what user can enter the data. Okay. Alright, Okay, so please input character between 1 until 10. Okay, so sorry. Okay. So that is all about data relation using whole number, decimal, date, time, and text length.